Wow, iba airplanes. Wow.
Mabuhay, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The local time is 15 minutes past the hour of 2 in the afternoon, and the date today is May 16, 2026 on a Saturday. Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence
Ang dami
passenger
iba
deplaning as soon as we receive
airplane.
clearance to do so. May we remind you to take precaution when opening the overhead
Philippines
storage bin.
Airline.
To retrieve your items, as these may have shifted
Air
during flight.
Asia. Asia.
All passengers with connecting flights out of Manila will be given priority. Remain seated until your row numbers have been called upon for deplaning. Passengers who need assistance like wheelchair, please deplane last. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Esmani, assisted by First Officer Bacus, and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.
Ma, alit na isang Philippines Airline, yung isa ang laki.
We would like to remind everyone to remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened while waiting for your
Pure gold. Pure gold.
If you have onward
Pure gold
connection on Philippine
Airlines.
flights, please proceed to the transfer desk. Passengers taking Philippine Airlines flights departing from NAIA Terminal 1 may avail of our free shuttle service. Our ground personnel will be happy to assist you.